Your car is a goldmine of features mechanics get paid to pretend don't exist. Today I'm showing you 10 hacks that take 5 minutes each, and the last one has literally gotten people out of a tow truck situation on the side of the highway. Let's go. Hack 10. Baby wipe window seals. Take a baby wipe. Run it along the rubber seals around your windows. That's it. The black grime you're wiping off. It's acting like sandpaper against your glass every time you roll a window up or down, creating micro scratches that cloud your view over months. One $3 pack of wipes prevents that damage and conditions the rubber so it doesn't crack and shrink. Detailers charge $60 for a rubber treatment product that does exactly this. Do it once a month. Takes 90 seconds. Hack 9. Toothpaste paint correction. See that small rust spot or surface scratch? Don't touch it yet. Grab plain white toothpaste, not gel, put a pea-sized amount on a soft cloth, and rub in circular motions. What you're using is the same mild abrasive compound found in professional polishing kits, just at lower concentration. It's gentle enough to not damage your clear coat, but strong enough to lift surface oxidation. Rinse it off. The spot is gone or dramatically faded. Here's the part that matters. Surface rust is a surface problem. It hasn't eaten through anything, but leave it 2 more months? It will. Touch it up with clear nail polish right after the toothpaste, and you've just bought yourself a year of protection. A body shop quotes $200 for that same result. Hack 8. Lemon plus baking soda headlights. Foggy, yellowed headlights aren't a headlight problem. They're a plastic problem. UV radiation breaks down the coating on your plastic lens. That yellowed haze sitting on the surface. You can remove it with stuff from your kitchen. Cut a lemon in half. Sprinkle baking soda on the cut face. Scrub your headlight in circles for 2 to 3 minutes. The citric acid dissolves the oxidation. The baking soda acts as the abrasive. Rinse, buff dry with a microfiber cloth. Auto Parts stores sell restoration kits for $25 to $40 with harsh chemical compounds that do the same thing. A lemon costs 50 cents. Critical follow-up. After you're done, apply a layer of car wax or UV clear sealant. That's what actually keeps them clear. Skip this, and they'll yellow again in 3 months. Hack 7. WD-40 throttle body cleaning. Rough idle. Sluggish acceleration. Check engine light. Your mechanic runs a $150 diagnostic and tells you, dirty throttle body. Needs professional cleaning, $250. Here's the truth. It's carbon buildup. It happens to every car. It's normal, and you can fix it in 15 minutes for $5. Engine off. Find your throttle body. It's connected to your air intake tube, usually a round aluminum part with a hose going to it. Spray WD-40 or throttle body cleaner directly onto the throttle plate inside. Use an old toothbrush to scrub the black carbon deposits. Wipe clean with a rag. Start the engine, let it idle for a few minutes. Rough running, gone. Check engine codes, cleared. That complex diagnostic they ran? It confirmed what they already knew. There was carbon on a part they can see with their eyes. The $5 can of WD-40 just rendered their entire service unnecessary. Hack 6. Vaseline for interior plastic. Faded, chalky dashboard plastic looks terrible and ages your car's interior by a decade. Professional interior restoration, $100 to $200. Or petroleum jelly, a $4 jar of Vaseline. Apply a thin layer to your dashboard, door panels, and vinyl surfaces with a cloth. Rub it in. Buff the excess off with a clean microfiber. The plastic absorbs the moisture, the color deepens back to its original tone, and you just created a UV protective barrier. Vaseline also works on rubber door seals and exterior trim. One product, every surface. Done. By the way, most premium interior conditioners you're buying? Petroleum-based. You're just paying for the label and the scent. Hack 5. Baking soda battery terminal rescue. White or blue crusty buildup on your battery terminals causes slow cranking, electrical gremlins, and warning lights. Mechanics use it to scare you into a $150 to $300 battery replacement on a battery that's perfectly fine. Here's the fix. 2 teaspoons of baking soda dissolved in 1 cup of water. Pour the solution over the corrosion. It fizzes and bubbles. That's the acid neutralizing. Scrub with an old toothbrush. Rinse with water. Dry completely. Reconnect. Your electrical problems vanish because the battery was never the issue. Bonus: dab petroleum jelly on the terminals before reconnecting. It forms a barrier that prevents corrosion from coming back for months. You just did a $150 service for literally 50 cents. Hack 4. Fuel injector cleaner, the monthly trick. Fuel injectors clog with carbon and varnish over time. The result is rough idle, worse fuel economy, hesitation when you accelerate. Professional cleaning service, $150 to $300. But mechanics will never tell you this because monthly maintenance eliminates the problem entirely. Once a month, before you fill up, pour a bottle of fuel injector cleaner into your tank. $8 at any auto parts store. Drive normally. The detergents dissolve buildup and restore proper fuel spray patterns. Professional cleaning services use the same chemicals, just in concentrated form they run through a machine. What you're buying for $8 does the same thing preventatively. A clogged injector never forms if you're cleaning it monthly. That $300 service. You never need it. Hack 3. Instant car cooling in summer. Your car has been sitting in the sun for 2 hours. Interior is 140 degrees Fahrenheit. You crank the AC and sit there sweating for 10 minutes waiting for it to feel cold. Stop doing this. It's burning out your compressor. Here's what actually works. Roll down all the windows. Set your fan to max on outside air mode, not recirculate. Drive for 30 to 60 seconds. You're pushing superheated air out of a cabin. Then roll up the windows, switch to recirculate, turn on AC. Your car goes cold in under 2 minutes, not 10, because you're now cooling 90 degrees Fahrenheit air instead of 140 degrees Fahrenheit air. The physics matter. AC removes heat, it doesn't add cold. The hotter your starting air, the harder your compressor works. Vent first, cool second. Your AC lives longer, you sweat less. Win-win. Hack 2. Dead key fob emergency backup. Your key fob dies while you're out. Car won't unlock. You're stranded. Locksmith wants $150 for an emergency call. Before you call anyone, check inside your fob. Almost every modern key fob has a hidden physical key blade inside it. Look for a small slide switch or button on the side of the fob. Press it, a metal key slides out. Use that key to manually unlock your door. There's usually a keyhole hidden under a plastic cover on the door handle. Once you're inside, there's a hidden slot somewhere in the car where you can hold the dead fob to start the engine. Common spots: center console, cup holder area, or steering column. Your owner's manual has the exact location. Dealerships keep this vague on purpose. They'll charge you $75 to $150 to come show you the slot. It's in your manual. Take 5 minutes to find it right now before you ever need it. And for the future, key fob batteries cost $3 to $5 at any drugstore. CR 2032 takes 30 seconds to swap. Dealers charge $50 to $100 for the same job. Hack 1. Shift lock release. This is the one that has kept people off a tow truck. You're parked. You get in, press the brake, go to shift out of park, and the shifter won't move. It's completely locked. Your first thought is transmission failure. The tow truck driver's first quote is $300 just to diagnose it. Every single automatic transmission vehicle has a shift lock release button. It's an emergency override built into every car, and almost no one knows it exists. Here's where to find it. Look near your gear selector for a small rectangular plastic cover. Sometimes it says Shift Lock in tiny letters. Sometimes it's just a blank cap. Pry it off with your key or a coin. Inside is a small slot or button. With your foot on the brake, press that button or insert your key into the slot and push down. The shifter releases. Now here's what's actually wrong: a blown brake light fuse or faulty brake light switch. Your transmission is completely fine. The shift lock system requires the brake lights to be working to release. It's a safety feature. A $5 fuse from any auto parts store almost always fixes it permanently. The tow truck, the dealer diagnostic, the potential transmission repair? None of it was ever necessary. This override exists specifically for this situation, and the only reason you didn't know about it is because nobody told you. Every single one of these takes under 15 minutes and costs almost nothing. Your car already came with the solutions, you just weren't handed the manual. Which one caught you off guard? Drop it in the comments. If this saved you money, subscribe. I put out a new video every week on exactly this stuff. See you in the next one.